Another day of heat, humidity, and some hot breezy winds and some scattered thunder showers. Now, we're expecting those to be on the increase as we go later this evening. The almanac is in for Knoxville today, and our high temperature 5 degrees above the average high of 89, 94 today, 75 the very warm start this morning. Now, no rainfall yet at the airport, but we do have a chance for scattered thunder showers developing as we go on into this evening. So here's a look at what we're seeing. Again, those spotty to scattered storms expected to pick up. Flooding potential, especially across the northern half of East Tennessee up into Kentucky. We've got some tropical moisture surging northward and a frontal boundary with scattered storms surging southward. And so these are expected to collide and intersect and basically have that potential for some storms with heavy rainfall and possibility of flooding across the northern half of East Tennessee up into Kentucky and Virginia. And that will be later this evening and even into part of the overnight hours. So because of that threat and risk, a flood watch will be in place across southeast Kentucky through 8 p.m. Friday. Far northern counties of East Tennessee, including Scott County, Campbell, Claiborne, Hancock, and Hawkins until midnight tonight. So again, we're starting to see those scattered storms on the increase, and that will be the trend as we see those developing this evening. So one of our high-res models continues to show those scattered showers and some thunderstorms. Again, heaviest rains likely will be focused closer to the Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia state line, but even here in the valley, we got a chance for some scattered showers, few isolated storms. Locally heavy downpours, heavy rainfall is going to be the primary concern. A secondary concern, it could have a few isolated damage and wind gusts, and so but when you get thunderstorms, you also get heavy rates of rain. So this is just after midnight. This is 2 a.m. So we're talking about basically from late this evening into the early morning hours, we could continue to see some of those heavier thunder showers before they wind down into the early morning hours Friday, and we're probably going to start off with some patchy fog. So that's the forecast for tonight into tomorrow. Again, some heavier thunder showers. Look at the moisture surging northward. More scattered storms possible Friday, Saturday, and again for our Sunday. So here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Yes, we do have those elevated chances the next 3 days, particularly by Saturday into part of Sunday. Not quite as hot this weekend, closer to 90 degrees. And then as the rain chances start to decrease, the temperatures increase. Look at that, 94 and 95 degrees expected for highs with mainly drier weather by the middle part of next week.